Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Gayatri.
Hi, my name is Daphne.
Hi everyone, my name is Pavani and
This experience filling my chapter in a professional growth.
The mentors is especially very patient and they're always ready to help no matter how basic or complex the questions are.
I'm gratefully thank you the my mentor Kirti ma'am for regarding all my doubts.
I did a lot of independent learning, which really boosted my self
I
esteem.
extensively worked with Zoho Books, a powerful cloud based accounting tool. I also developed soft skills like attention to detail, time management, and effective communication.
So thank you Abhyaz platform for giving this opportunity.
If one is looking for an internship opportunity where they can get hands on experience and grow as a professional, I highly recommend Abhyas. Thank you. If
And I highly recommend Abhyas to anyone that is looking for an enriching and engaging internship.